Hey there, Ryan, co-founder of Pixie here. In this video, I will teach you the purpose of drafts and how to best use this feature. Pixie is mobile, designed to be with you always on the go, especially during your busiest days. When new family information comes up during the day, sometimes you don't have the time or even just the mental capacity to decide where to place that new item. This is what drafts is for, a catch-all space to quickly capture any item you don't have the time to organize yet. Pixie is here to help you safely store all of your family information as it comes up throughout the day, no matter what situation you find yourself in. So, what does this look like in real life? Let's imagine I'm in the middle of dinner prep and my son pulls out his new monthly school calendar. Instead of me placing it in my pile of random papers, I can quickly capture it, place it in drafts, and get back to my dinner prep. This is such a great way to divert the mental stress that typically comes with new family information that surfaces throughout the day. Later, when I've had more time to think through organizing, I can easily move that new calendar to the appropriate Pixie board. Or if I prefer, just leave it in drafts. Pixie is customizable to how and when you like to organize. So the next time you're in a pinch and tempted to create a new mental pin to remember something, instead use drafts to offload that mental stress. Thanks. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more Pixie tips and tutorials. We'll see you next time.